Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with simplertrading.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to bring a couple different tickers, but really kind of a way of thinking, which is to say we're in a very headline driven environment, and I think everybody is aware of that. I'm not going to try to make too many opinions on what does each little nuanced headline mean. It's just basically to say that it's been very volatile. It's been very back and forth, and picking a straight up direction and sticking with it hasn't been necessarily easy. With that way of thinking, as we head into a monthly expiration, it's at least worth considering the idea that maybe some of these tickers that are trading close to psychological values will continue to oscillate around them. Because you'll have some people, maybe selling the shares at 100 or buying them at 100 here in the case of PayPal. And if that is something that you can get behind the idea of, you want to look at maybe selling the $100 straddle. And then if you want to buy protection, that's probably well advised in this environment. I always start off with the idea of selling the straddle, so you can think of what the concept of the trade is. To just say, can we be close to 100 over the course of the next 5 days? Well, if so, that kind of back and forth that eventually leads you to that price, you can make money by selling those options. So sell the, kind of the middle where you think it will end up trading on Friday, and then buy as much protection as you think is necessary. So PayPal is one of the names that I'll be doing that with. Costco is another, where I look at charts like this, and maybe this even has it could go either way, which I know is a brilliant comment in the evening video, but it's just to tell you that, around 300, it could be something that chops around. From one point of view, I could see the need for a pullback. Then there's the other point of view that says this is just like Target, Microsoft, Nike, and so many other names that have been just ripping to new lifetime highs. So if you got that slight mix of, well, it might need a pullback, but it's a very bullish chart, playing something neutral around 300 might make good sense. So I like that in PayPal, I like that in Costco, and I will also be entertaining the idea in Lulu. This is similar because do you look at this and say, this is going to break out, make a new lifetime high, and just keep ripping higher? That is one thing that could happen in the infinite multiples of, things that could happen in the markets. I think we should probably see a little bit more something like this, and maybe by the end of the week find ourselves with some relative proximity to 200. So I just think that thinking about these types of things during a monthly expiration is worthwhile, so you're not looking straight up at direction on everything. Give some of these psychological targets a chance to chop around there, maybe consolidate a touch, and then we'll see how that looks at the end of next week. So I hope that's helpful, and we will see you at the next free video.